Hello everyone, I'm Rini. Welcome to Fit Talk with Trek the Himalayas. We all love mountain. And what is a better way to experience mountains firsthand rather than going for a trek? But here is the thing. You really need to be physically and mentally fit to experience all the enjoyment of a trek. Let us tell you how to get fit for your upcoming trek. Let us understand the type of exercises you need to do to get trek fit. You need to majorly focus on 3 areas. To improve your cardio, you can start with slow walks and gradually improve the distance and the elevation of the walks. When you are comfortable with walking every day a particular distance, try to ramp up by jogging and then slowly go for the line. You should be able to run 5 kilometers in 30 to 45 minutes.
Don't rush. Consistency is always the key.
Let us now discuss about the strength exercises that you need to do regularly to build up strength in your legs and the core muscles. Let us give you some detail of the exercises that you can practice regularly. For leg strength, incorporate squats, lunges, calf raises, and stair climbing into your exercise routine. You can start slow and gradually increase the sets and repetitions to build strength for those challenging ascents. For core strength, exercises like plank, Russian twist, and bicycle crunches will help you a lot.
This will help you prevent lower back injury during the trek.
Now let us focus on flexibility. A flexibility routine should be a major part of your workout every single day when you are preparing for a trek. For flexibility, include different types of stretching. Stretch your legs, back, hips, and shoulders to maintain flexibility. Include a specific stretching routine before your cardio workout and as a part of your cool down every single day. Additionally, you need to develop mountain fit. That means being comfortable with the ascents and descents in the mountain. Stair climbing regularly can help in this regard. You can gradually add a rucksack with weights while climbing the stairs. This will help you get an idea of walking in the trek. Increase the repetition gradually, and it will also help in your endurance and cardio.